The new Haiku Learning Importer has a redesigned interface that gives you more control, more transparency, and more safeguards when you import student data into Haiku Learning. You can see the new interface by navigating in your domain to Manage Domain and choosing Imports. On the main import detail screen, you will see your recent imports. You will notice that each import now reports which administrator performed the upload, a status, and notes about the import. Imports that are pending approval or have failed will have a Review button. Click this to see what will be created, deleted, or updated after the import is approved. The first step in setting up a new importer tool is to navigate to the Settings button on the Import Detail page. The first option allows you to enter email addresses, which will receive import-related notifications. You can enter multiple email addresses here by separating them by commas. We recommend entering at least one email address to receive notifications. The second option only applies if you are using an automatic import. With the new importer, administrators can now review an import and choose to either approve it or cancel the import. For automated integrations, you can either choose to always require an admin to review and approve the import, or you can choose to set a threshold which defines when approval is needed. Once you are done with your settings, simply click Save to continue. Click Upload Zip File to see the upload area and some helpful resources. Note that at the bottom of the screen, there are links to sample files, as well as specifications for the different types of imports and versions. There are now two ways to upload your file. You can either drag the file from your computer into the gray Drag a File Here box, or select Choose a File and select your zip file. After you upload your file, you will be taken back to the Import Detail screen and will see the status of your latest import. You should see a status of pending approval if the import is ready to be approved, or validation failed if there's an error blocking the import from occurring, such as a missing required file. Assuming you see a pending approval status, the next step is to review your import to see if it is ready to be approved. To review your import, the first step is to see what is in the Notes column to get a general idea of what effect the file or files will have on your domain. Then click on the Review button on the right-hand side of the screen. On the Review page, you can drill down further into what data in your domain will be changed by the import. Under the Pre-Import Summary header, you may see Review Warnings in a yellow callout box. Click to view warnings broken up by file. Warnings won't stop the import from occurring, but they may, for example, stop a user from being created. Reviewing these warnings beforehand allows you to fix the errors in your files before importing them. Click Go Back to return to the Review page. If you scroll down, you can see what data will be added, deleted, or updated based on the file. Each blue number can be clicked on to get more details. If you are satisfied with your import, simply click Approve. If you want to edit the files first and then re-import them, click Cancel Import. Edit your files and then follow the same steps again to upload your new file. Once you have approved your import, you will be taken back to the Import Detail page. From here, you can review your import by clicking on the time-date stamp on the left-hand side. You can view a summary of the import under the Import Result tab. Finally, you can click Pre-Import Summary to view the warnings that were provided during the first step of the import process. On this page, you can both download your original import file and a log file, which contains the changes that were made and the errors in CSV format, by clicking the appropriate button in the top right. We hope that you enjoy all the benefits of the new Haiku Learning Importer. If there's anything we can do to help, please feel free to reach out to us at support@haikulearning.com.